Welcome to our Health and Nutrition channel, where we dive deep into the science behind the food we eat and how it can dramatically impact our well-being. Today, we're exploring a seemingly unusual yet incredibly beneficial combination that could transform your meals and your health: lemon and spinach. Stay tuned as we uncover the latest research and insights on why this pair is a match made in nutrient heaven. It might surprise you, but the addition of lemon juice to spinach does more than tickle your taste buds with its tangy flavor. This practice is grounded in science and comes highly recommended by nutrition experts. Why, you ask? It all boils down to the power of vitamin C in lemons and the non-heme iron found in spinach. Non-heme iron, prevalent in plant sources like spinach and lentils, is notoriously difficult for our bodies to absorb efficiently. Enter vitamin C, a nutrient superstar, not only known for its immune-boosting properties, but also for its role in transforming non-heme iron into a form that our bodies can more readily absorb. This is crucial for the production of hemoglobin, the protein responsible for transporting oxygen throughout our bodies. Without adequate iron absorption, we risk developing anemia, characterized by fatigue and decreased energy. Beyond nutrition, lemon as a natural preservative. Lemon's benefits extend beyond nutrition. It acts as a natural preservative, prolonging the shelf life of foods. Mario Sanchez, a food technologist, emphasizes that combining vitamin C-rich foods like lemon with plant-based iron sources significantly improves iron assimilation, enhancing blood health and vitality. A closer look at spinach and its benefits. Spinach is more than just a leafy green. It's a nutritional powerhouse packed with iron, fiber, potassium, vitamins, and antioxidants. Its iron content, crucial for preventing anemia and boosting energy, is best unlocked when paired with vitamin C. Moreover, spinach is loaded with fiber, essential for digestive health and blood sugar regulation, and potassium, important for heart health. It's also rich in vitamin A, necessary for eye health and immune function, vitamin K, critical for blood clotting and bone health, and folate, vital for cell formation and particularly recommended for pregnant women. The antioxidant powerhouse. Vitamin C isn't just a facilitator for iron absorption. It's a potent antioxidant that combats cellular damage and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Its cardiovascular benefits, skin health improvement, and immune system strengthening are just the tip of the iceberg. Now, let's see the recent research highlights. A study published in the journal Nitric Oxide illustrates how nitrate-rich vegetables like spinach can be effective in managing and preventing high blood pressure, thanks to their ability to improve blood circulation. Research in the Journal of Nutrition has found that spinach extracts can aid in preventing vision loss, showcasing the vegetable's role in maintaining eye health and possibly staving off age-related vision decline. So, the next time you're considering your meal options, remember the dynamic duo of lemon and spinach. Not only does it offer a refreshing taste combination, but it also brings a host of health benefits, from improved iron absorption and antioxidant protection to supporting cardiovascular health and beyond. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful nutrition tips and tricks. Here's to your health, filled with more greens and a squeeze of lemon.